In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make a 3-minute YouTube short. This is Aiden from JustBoz, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, either create and export your videos so it's no longer going to be longer than 3 minutes. You also have to make sure that your video uses a vertical or square aspect ratio. A 9:16 vertical format is going to work the very best for shorts, but then you just have to open up YouTube, right? And then just tap that plus icon, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now, of course, you can just record an entire video right here and make it 3 minutes as well. However, that's not really ideal, especially if you're doing 3 minutes. You probably already had the video made. So you need to hit add right here, and you need to find your video. A lot of this stuff is just screenshots for thumbnails. But go on here and essentially find your 3-minute long video. We could just say this was the example, right? Select it on here, and then of course once you do that, just hit next, continue through the process, and you're going to want to upload it like normal, where you can add that video title and so much more. Now, of course, you can also put monetization and any other details that you have available, but of course YouTube will then automatically categorize an eligible vertical or square video up to 3 minutes long as a short. You do not need to add like shorts to the title or anything. However, you should use some sort of hashtag because that will help your video get pushed a little bit more. Just keep in mind that shorts longer than 1 minute with an active content ID claim can be blocked. So make sure, of course, if you have music in your short, you do permission, or you're using eligible music from YouTube Shorts tools. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.